Everything you need to do to make sure your log burner is clean and fit for use for the season ahead. Hi guys, I'm Paul from the Vlogs. It's log burner season. We've had ours lit a couple of times already, so I'm going to show you what you need to do to get yours clean and fit for use for the months ahead. Let's go. Now this is obviously a pretty dry subject, so I promise not to keep you too long. Grab yourselves a cuppa, we'll get through it as quick as you can. Right, first up, chimney sweeping, and it's super important that you get this done every single year. When we light a fire in the log burner, even with the cleanest burning fuel possible, we're going to get some smoke and some tar, and that's going to collect in the chimney. If we leave it too long between sweeps, we're going to get more collecting in the chimney and increase our risk of a chimney fire. It's as simple as that. When you get your chimney swept, you're going to get one of these. This is a certificate that showed me last time I was swept on the 9th of November last year, so we're due in about a month's time. What the certificate does, as well as reminding me that I need to book my next sweep, is basically make me compliant with my home insurance. You'll find now a lot of home insurance policies say that if you've got a log burner, you need to have an annual chimney sweep, and the certificate gives you that reassurance. So if you ever did have a problem, a chimney fire, despite having it swept, you can go to your insurance company and you can prove that you're doing the right things. So yeah, super important. Get your certificate out, check if you need to book in. I've texted my sweep this morning, get it booked. You know, absolutely essential part of a log burner. Right, next up, cleaning and maintenance. I'm not sure if this is more or less dry than chimney sweeping, so stick with me and let's power on through to the end. A lot of us stick to our log burner at this time of year and we just close the door, let it go out at the end of winter, and it hasn't been looked at since. So it might have dirty glass, ash in the bottom. It's just time to get it cleaned out and ready for the new season. Let's go. Ours has been kept to be clean through summer, so just a damp cloth and a wipe over on the outside. So we'll scoop all of that old ash out into an ash bucket and put the lid on. Doesn't matter if you've got 5 or 10% of the ash left in there, it doesn't need to be perfect. Watch your knuckles here, don't cut them open like I did. Next we're onto the glass, and we're going to avoid using any chemical cleaners in favour of using a little bit of ash. That's going to act like a mild abrasive. I've got a full video on this, so click the link in the top corner if you're interested to see more. While you've got your door open, you can plump up your rope seal a little bit. That's just going to guarantee a nice clean seal to make sure any smoke goes up the chimney. We'll close the door and you can use the same ash cleaning hack again on the outside if you've got any dirty spots you want to clean up. That's it, let's clean up the area and the log burner's good to go. That's us done, clean log burner, ready to use for the season, and only one minor injury. In terms of cleaning through the season, you don't need to clear the ash out every time you use it. If you're using really good quality dry fuel, you'll find the ash disappears to almost nothing. So I'd say we clean ours out every week or two. Using good quality dry fuel really is the secret to keeping your chimney as clean as possible through the season. So when you do get your sweep booked, ask him or her what they think from the state of the chimney, and I bet they'll have an opinion on the fuel you've been using. That's it, thank you for bearing with me. I told you we'd get through it as quickly as possible. Get your sweep certificate out. If you need one, get a chimney sweep booked. Enjoy log burner season, and I'll see you soon.